Hi, so I'm going to show you today how I utilize Facebook to connect with my families and my students for continuous learning. And honestly, I use this throughout the entire school year, no matter what the situation is. But I'm going to show you today what I plan to do as part of our continuous learning plan. So I'm going to go to my school webpage that I created. So just create your own page for your physical education program. So this is for my elementary PE program. And we'll go down here. And so I am going to be doing one post a day at 9 a.m. And these posts are going to be everything from different YouTube videos, games to play. I might go live a few times, different things that you can think of. Here is the one that I posted today, and I keep them short and simple for my families to follow along and do with their families. It tells you how many people you reach, so that kind of gives you a good idea. I did a push up challenge the other day. Go down here. So I did a push-up challenge, and I challenged my kids to do 10 push-ups. And then it was kind of fun because I had some kids comment. I even had a teacher. I'll show you down here. A teacher that got on. Oh, now I can't find it, of course. A teacher got on and did push-ups too. So that was fun. And so lots of ways to connect with your kids. You can do a little bit of everything. The best way to manage this is to go to a tool called Publishing Tools. So if you look right here, it says, if you look right here, it says I have 3 scheduled posts. And I can click on those posts and we'll look at those. So these are my scheduled posts for the rest of this week. So I have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday already set up. And my plan is every weekend I'm going to go and I'm going to publish everything that I want to publish for the following week. So you would click on Publishing Tools at the top, and you can go to Publish Post and see everything that you have published in the past and how well it was received. But you would want to go to Scheduled Posts and then over here to Create. And then here, just like a normal post, you're going to write your post. So let's say I wanted to take them to, I have the open website open at the top. So we'll use that. I'm going to put like checkout open phys ed. Okay. And then I'm going to come in and I'm going to go back and I'm going to get this URL. I wouldn't actually use this one. I would put examples, but this is to kind of get you started. Okay. And then after you have all that and whatever photos and videos you want to do, you're just going to click schedule post and then come down here, choose your date. Okay. We're going to say the 25th, your time, 3:04 sure, and then you're going to schedule it. Okay. And then it will show up here on your scheduled posts. Okay. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to cancel that. Just delete it because I really don't want that to be sent out. So this is very easy to manage, and I have almost all my family's following right now. As you can see, I have 221 followers, so that's probably pretty close to the number of families that we have. But I always, make sure I invite them. I sent all of my family's my Facebook page title and ask them to join in with us so that they could be engaged every day as well. So this is one way that I plan on using to connect with my families. It's super easy. It gets information out there quickly to a lot of people. I would just say be careful what you post if you're using direct examples of your students so that you abide by all the laws and you don't breach anyone's confidentiality. But there's a lot of great resources out there. Just know that if you have a PDF file that you want to upload for kids, you have to change it to a JPEG file. So you'll have to save it differently or create a hot link for it in order to post it here. It won't let you post a PDF file just by creating a post. So I hope this helps, and good luck with all your continuous learning.